Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to ClickBank. First, it's important to understand that ClickBank does not directly send payments to PayPal. Instead, we'll use a simple workaround. You'll need to set up a direct deposit method. This involves using an intermediary service like Payoneer, which can then transfer funds to your PayPal account. This process ensures you can receive your earnings efficiently, even with this indirect route. To begin, you'll need a Payoneer account. If you don't have one, create a free account on their website. The registration process is straightforward and typically takes only a few minutes. Once your account is set up and verified, locate your U.S. receiving account details. These details, including your bank name, account number, and routing number, are crucial for the next step. Payoneer acts as a bridge, allowing ClickBank to send funds to a U.S. bank account. Now, log in to your ClickBank account. Navigate to your account settings, and then find the Payment Information section. Here, you will select Direct Deposit as your preferred payment method. Carefully input the U.S. receiving account details you obtained from Payoneer. Double-check all the numbers, including the routing and account numbers, to ensure accuracy. This step links your ClickBank earnings directly to your Payoneer account for seamless transfers. Finally, set your desired payment threshold within ClickBank, which can be as low as $10. ClickBank typically processes payments on a weekly or bi-weekly basis, depending on your chosen frequency. Once processed, your earnings will be sent to your Payoneer account. From Payoneer, you can then easily withdraw these funds to your linked PayPal account. This completes the connection, allowing you to receive your ClickBank commissions reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.